Hi guys, Donald with Topwolf Automotive. We are here at Sears looking at pliers, so stay tuned. Alrighty, everybody's raving about the Kinepix pliers, so I'm gonna give me a pair today. I got some surprise points. We go with a 10-inch with a 7 1/4. These are the alligator ones. I don't know. Let me look and compare. Well, be right back. Alrighty, I'm gonna go with the 7 1/4. Online price is $20, and I got $8 in surprise points, so it'll be $12 for this set. Yep. Alrighty. That's gonna be it. Alrighty. We'll be back. Alrighty guys. Being here at Sears at the mall. Stop by at my favorite Chinese place and get my orange chicken and spicy chicken with the rice. Good stuff. Yummy. Alright guys. Alrighty everybody. This is my tool haul for this weekend. It's Sunday. I may go pick up something else from Harbor Freight. Who knows? But let me get this video done. Went to Sears and got my Kinepix alligator pliers. Had a good deal. They're $25 in store, $20 online. They matched that. Plus I had surprise points of $8. So $12 for Kinepix alligator pliers. Great deal. And then I went over to Harbor Freight and picked up some Loctite, blue Loctite, and some epoxy. And the free item was the cloths. Alrighty, and with that, I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions as always. Stay safe out there guys, and we'll see you in the next video.